Hello, what's happening, guys? Welcome to your sixth tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about media. Yep, media. So let's just get right to it. Okay, if you click on this, if you see on the dashboard in the menu, you see media. I'm just going to click on media. I'll just wait for it to load. Okay. So you'll see this option which says add new, and also says no media files found, because actually at the moment there's nothing. So I'm just going to click on add new. Okay, before I add something, I just want to explain something. When you say media files, right, these might be video, pictures, maybe documents. So these are the media files. Let's say you want to add some image on your website, or you want to add the new advertisement of a picture or a video on your website. This is the main menu feature of media. This is where everything gets controlled, where you can upload and all this kind of thing. So this is the main menu tab for media. So I'm just going to click on select. I'm just going to add some of my YouTube thumbnails. I think I'm going to add, this is tutorial number 6. Okay, so I'm just going to add this image, and we're going to use this image. Say okay, WordPress. Okay, boom. So I've already selected and I've already uploaded my image into my media library. So I'm just gonna head on to posts. Let me just go to all posts. If you haven't watched this tutorial in terms of post, I would advise you to visit that tutorial on post so that you won't really get confused on what I'm talking about here. So I'm just gonna do edit, because I want to add this image in this post. So I'm just gonna click on edit. So slow loading, jeez. Okay. Okay, so this is my post. This is the post that we created when you're talking about WordPress tutorial, right? So I'm just gonna move around and say, type something. See this option? When I click on this, add image. I say media library. Then I say media library. Then it shows me this image. Then I'm gonna click on select. Then it adds my image. Then I'm gonna remember what I told you, that as in every time before you post something or before you publish something, you can hit preview so that you see how it's gonna be presented on the website. So let's just click on preview. I just want to see how it goes before I hit the publish. Let's see. Okay, say WordPress tutorial. Then I say my name is Nyasha Mazapere. Yeah, a lot of people don't know my real name. They just know me as AfricanProgrammer. My real name is Nyasha Mazapere. Okay, so it says WordPress tutorial, beginners tutorial. So I've added the image. So basically, the main functionality of the media menu, right, is for adding. I think I'm going to say update. Okay. If you have been using WordPress for a long time, you see that there are a lot of changes that has happened. The user interface is getting nicer and nicer and better. It's really nice. Okay, so someone told me that nice is not the proper name. It's not good English. Okay, but it's nice. Okay, so we're gonna say I was saying that the media library is mainly for adding all the media files, images, videos, documents, and all those things. So this is mainly just a short description of simplified tutorial on media functionality, media menu option in WordPress. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, or just get in touch on our social media accounts. I'll see you in the next tutorial where I'll be talking about pages.